Local news for Tuesday, the 23rd of June. The average asking price for property in the all districts in May has increased significantly year on year. Masterton, Carterton and South Wairarapa seeing some of the strongest growth in the country. The median sale price for Masterton was $425,000, Carterton $470,000 and South Wairarapa $560,000. World-leading technology is being rolled out across Masterton to get a better picture of the town's air quality during winter. The Greater Wellington Regional Council, Masterton District Council and NIWA are collaborating on the project, and that will see 24 sensors being installed throughout the town. Greater Wellington will also help support landowners with management of pest plants within the region. They're also available to help identify potential pest plants and species of landowners that may be concerned. Committee Chair Councillor Adrian Staples says that there are many things we can do collectively as individuals and as a community to take action before these pests become a problem. And finally in sport and football, a draw for the Wairarapa United women over the weekend against North Wellington, while the men scored a 3-2 victory over Wellington Olympic. Well done. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.